What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, I just want to apologize for being so quiet last week. It was my birthday week and I was crazy busy with work, so I didn't get to vlog for you guys. But anyways, back in it now. I'm back to weekly uploads. I'm gonna try 2 vlogs a week. We'll see how that goes for a while, and we'll take it from there. So today I'm gonna be working on the Heatgun. I've been wanting to restore my headlights ever since I bought the car. As you can see, they are stone chipped. As you can see, they are stone chipped quite badly. So I want to restore them, and then I want to put a clear film over to protect them. I don't actually want to tint the lights. I just want to put a nice clear film over to protect them from getting stone chips again. I have been extremely successful with the stone chip headlights recently, so I'm very confident that I'll be able to sort them out. They won't be 100%, but I'm pretty sure I can get them a lot better than what they are now. I'm just quickly going to switch them on to show you guys. Also got that 35% Lumar smash and grab done a couple of weeks ago, which I didn't actually show you guys. As you can see, the lenses are pitted quite badly, so I'm going to restore that today, get as much of that out, give them a polish to get them looking brand spanking new. Okay, so at the moment I'm currently using my head strap mount. I'm hoping you guys could hear me just fine. I'm gonna start off by taping up the headlights, because obviously when you sand, you don't actually want to sand the paint of your car. So I'm gonna start off by taping it up real quick. If it is your first time doing lights, I suggest that you guys either use thicker tape, or you guys tape 2 lines just to get a broader tape line to prevent scratching your paint. You really don't want to touch the paint with some sanding paper. So this is just some soapy water that I'll use to wet sand the light. This is 800 grit water sanding paper that I'll be starting off with. I'm just quickly gonna put you guys over to a time lapse now and just get the process started. So I'm done with the 800 grit. Next up I'll be using 1200 grit. Sanding paper, wet sand again, and then after that we'll be moving over to the drill bit and the 3000 grit. So I'm quickly gonna do this and then I'll catch you guys once I'm done with the 1200 grit. Next, I'll be using my drill with a 3M Trizac 3000 grit. This still going to be wet sanding, so this is just to remove the last sanding marks, and then we'll move over to polishing the light after this. Just want to get a good amount of water on there. Next up is polishing, so I'm going to take all the tape off now just to get all the trapped water out, that I can wipe it off, and then I can polish the lights up before I'm going to apply the film. I'm hoping I'm going to come right to the film. I haven't put film on lights in, I don't know, more than a year and a half, so I'm hoping I've still got what it takes when it comes to applying film on headlights, but we'll learn in a couple of minutes. I think the only issue I'm gonna have is up here. As you can see, the amount of film I'm gonna need to cover this section equals half the amount I'm gonna need here, so that's gonna be the only headache, I suspect, or I hope there's no other unexpected issues coming up for me. But yeah, like I say, we'll be able to tell in a bit. I'm gonna polish the headlights now. Normally you'd use your drill bit with a 3-inch pad. I'm gonna use the iBrid Nano, just just because I have it, so I might as well use it. I'm just gonna change out this. Not to that. I need the grey one, which is this one. Just clean it up a bit quickly. Then I'm going to use my super heavy cut compound, and then after that I'll go down to PF2.5, PF2.3, but I'm first going to do a couple steps of this just to get the 3000 grit sanding marks out. As you can see, there's quite a bit of them, so this is going to remove that, and then lastly the power finish will leave it with a mint finish. got the lights polished. They are looking brand new. I'll show you guys some afters pretty soon. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do an alcohol wipe to remove all the oils from the polish. So what I'll be using for that, let me guys show you. GoPro eraser, and then I'm gonna use the exact same soapy water mixture that I used to sand the lights. I'm gonna use that to apply the film, add it with a bit of heat, and then the film should go on smoothly. Like I say, the only concern is it's gonna be up here, probably this section, but I'll see when I get there. Install went extremely well. This is just some watermarks. Once I leave it in the sun, all of this will come out, but it went extremely smooth. I didn't have any issues up here, but I thought I would. So yeah, that's a clear film installed to prevent the lights from getting stone chips again. I'm quickly gonna knock out the other one, and then I'll put the car in the sun, and then I can show you guys a bit later on the after result. So that's gonna be it for this vlog, guys. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end if you made it this far. If you guys haven't done it yet, please hit the subscribe button. I will link all the products down below. If you guys have any questions or you need any information, drop a comment. I will respond and give you guys some tips if you need anything, but it's simple really. The worst part is installing the foam. Other than that, it was quite a breeze. For you guys wondering where the Polo is, the gearbox will be put back tonight. I need to buy some oil. and as soon as I've got the oil, I can put the box back in. Like I said, I'll do it tonight. After work, I can head to my parents, put the box back in, and then hopefully drive the car tonight, tomorrow, within the next couple of days. Then I need to bait the clutch for 500 kilometers, and then hopefully we are good to apply some power to the setup. Like I said, we didn't find anything funny, so we're hoping that since we're putting everything new now, I don't know, fingers crossed, hoping for the best. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tonight once I get to my parents, and then I'll vlog for you guys when I put the box back, get it first start up, and all those funny things. So that's all good for this video, guys. I'll see you tonight. Peace out, and reflect your passion.